In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave Google Classroom classes. Navigating the online world of Google Classroom can seem a bit daunting at first, but don't worry, I've got you covered. Say you've completed a course or simply want to clean up your digital classroom space. Leaving a class is straightforward. Today, we're guiding you through the process, ensuring it's smooth and hassle-free. First things first, let's begin by directing our browser to google.com. It's the gateway to all things Google, including Classroom. Once you're there, spot the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will take you closer to managing your classes. Signing in is a breeze. Choose your Google account from the list of accounts, or log in if your account isn't displayed. This step is fundamental as it ensures that you are accessing the correct Google Classroom account associated with your studies or work. After selecting your account, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Take a moment here, ensure the password is entered correctly to avoid any unnecessary hiccups. Following your password entry, click on Next to proceed. Now you're signed in and it's time to navigate to Google Classroom. But where exactly is Classroom in the plethora of Google services? Simply look towards the top right once more and you'll notice an icon resembling a grid or waffle. That's the Google Apps menu. Clicking on this icon reveals a drop-down menu loaded with all available Google apps. From here, locate and click on Google Classroom. It usually features a distinctive chalkboard logo. Upon entering Google Classroom, you'll be greeted with the home page. This page displays all your active classes, making it the perfect starting point for our next action. But how do we leave a class from here? The process is intuitive. Navigate your cursor over to the class you wish to leave, and you'll see three vertical dots, often referred to as the More button, appear in the top right corner of the class card. Clicking these three dots will open a mini menu with several options specific to that class. Look through these options and locate the unenroll button. It might seem a bit hidden, but it's there as a safeguard to prevent accidentally leaving a class you intended to stay in. After clicking unenroll, you might expect an immediate dismissal from the class, but Google Classroom likes to ensure you're certain about your decision. Therefore, a confirmation prompt will appear, essentially asking, "Are you sure?" Here, click unenroll again to confirm your decision to leave the class. This double confirmation helps avoid any accidental exits. Congratulations! You've successfully navigated the steps to leaving a class in Google Classroom. It's a process that seems intricate at first glance, but is remarkably straightforward once you've walked through it. As a side note, it's always a good idea to double check that you've completed all necessary assignments, or downloaded any materials you might want to reference in the future before unenrolling. Google Classroom is a fantastic resource for education and collaboration, but managing your classes effectively means knowing how to both join and leave them as your educational journey evolves. Remember, the steps we've discussed today aren't just mechanical actions, but pathways to managing your learning environment more effectively. Whether you're streamlining your class list for a new school term, or decluttering post-completion of a course, knowing how to navigate these digital realms puts you in control of your educational experience. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial on how to leave Google Classroom classes. Remember, every digital journey is an opportunity for learning and growth. Here's to making your experience in Google Classroom as enriching and hassle-free as possible. Stay curious, stay learning.